Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new add-on of VS Code. So VS Code is getting more and more powerful, and few days back I came across a new add-on called Thunder Client. So what is Thunder Client? So you guys know the Postman, right, where you can test your REST API through the Postman. So Thunder Client is the replacement of the Postman. So this is why I'm started loving the VS Code very much. So it is almost replacing the Postman. So you don't need to go away from the VS Code while for just testing the APIs and all. It does everything whatever this Postman does. So let me show you a quick example. So it has activity collection environment. You can specify the environment as well. Collection, so same collection. For example, I have this test collection on the Postman. So same collection we can import on the VS Code. So let me export this. Where is the export? I export this recommended, and now same I am going to import. So import bulk downloads, and this one is the exported file from the Postman, and see the magic, it's added to the VS Code. So you can now check your stuff through the VS Code. You just need to download this Thunder Client add-on. Let me show you one request by running one API. So as I am a WordPress developer, I will run a WordPress API. Very famous posts API. So this is the get method. So I will select get is already there. Then it is WP v2 posts. So this is my local site, and I will run this API and see everything is running on the same page. (404). Oh, I forgot adding this. And as you can see, this is the response from the API we are getting. So we can add parameters similar to, again, Postman, headers, authentication, body, test. In body we can set XML, text, form. Everything is similar to this Postman. So yeah, after adding this, you barely going to use Postman. Still, Postman has its own benefit, but yeah, if there is a quick API checking thing and stuff, you can just do this in the VS Code. Hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.